Hi! Today I'm going to show you how easy it is to sign up to Ahsay Managed Backup as a Service, or AMBaaS, a secure and easy-to-use platform designed for MSPs who want to offer reliable backup services at competitive prices, or businesses looking for affordable backups for their data, fully hosted and managed by Ahsay. After successful registration, I'll walk you through the process of installing the AhsayOBM backup agent on Linux GUI using an RPM file. If you want to learn how, let's go to my screen and get started. To install AhsayOBM, first, customer must sign up for the free trial of AMBaaS. To do this, go to ahsay.com. Click Free Trial. Scroll down. Under Ahsay Managed Backup, click Free Trial. Fill out the registration form for a 15-day free trial, which includes up to 100 GB of backup storage on Ahsay Drive. Once you have successfully registered for the free trial, proceed with the installation by downloading the AhsayOBM client agent. To do this, open the email you used to register for the free trial account. Click on the email with the subject Ahsay Product Evaluation Request. Click the link to the download page of your AMBaaS console. To proceed, from the download page, you'll see the online installers of AhsayOBM, AhsayACB, Mobile, and Restore for different operating systems and NAS. Since we're already on the AhsayOBM tab, just look for the Linux section and click on the RPM installer to download. Open the RPM file and click Install. You have now successfully installed AhsayOBM on your computer. Go to the Activities, then click on the Applications. Double-click the AhsayOBM icon to open the application. Log in using your credentials. You may now start to backup or restore your files. And that's how you install AhsayOBM on Linux GUI using an RPM file. Very quick and easy. Sign up for our free trial today to safeguard critical data across multiple devices, PCs, notebooks, servers, NAS, or mobile devices. AMBaaS has you covered. With low-cost monthly subscription plans starting from $1 per month, you can offer a professional, cost-effective service without the need for upfront investment in hardware, storage, or software licenses. Don't wait. Secure, reliable, and affordable data protection with Ahsay is just a click away. If you want to learn how to secure your business and personal data, hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Ahsay backup tips and insights.